Hi, Navimow is a smart robotic lawnmower that uses virtual boundaries and mows in beautiful straight lines, keeping your lawn perfect 24/7. Virtual boundaries are just what they sound like. Simply drive Navimow around the edge of your lawn and it will automatically create a virtual map, which is stored digitally, remembering the precise layout of your lawn. Not at all. With Navimow Eye, we're introducing assist mapping. When there's a clear boundary, tap the auto icon and Navimow will automatically drive around the edges of the lawn. It makes mapping a breeze. Absolutely. For Navimow Eye, we developed the second generation of EFLS as a new technology, which combines RTK with vision to achieve ultra-precise positioning. Navimow's RTK system works with powerful AI-driven vision to help Navimow recognise and remember the layout of outdoor spaces, so it can handle an incredibly diverse range of lawn layouts. Vision capability also allows Navimow to respond in real time to changes in the environment, such as temporary obstacles. For lawn edges, you have two choices. When borders are flush with the lawn, choose Ride on Boundary for pristine, clean edges. In all other circumstances, you can choose Standard Boundary, and Navimow will stay safely within it. No problem. Draw maps for each zone independently and use the app to set a channel between them. You can even set up a separate mowing schedule for each zone. Of course, as long as Navimow's connected to the internet, you can check in on it from wherever you are, including its real-time location in case of theft. Oh look, it's mowing the front lawn. Thanks. Well, you can upgrade your Navimow through OTA updates, so you always have the very latest experience. It also has IP66 protection, and it's super quiet when mowing. And no matter where you are, you can use the app to remotely control your Navimow. Let's send it home.